Top 4 Smoothies for Kidney Recovery. Welcome to AgeGlow, where we help older adults live healthier, stronger, and more confident every day. If you're dealing with kidney issues or want to protect your kidney health naturally, today's video is perfect for you. Stay with us as we explore powerful healing smoothies for kidney recovery. 1. Blueberry Spinach Detox Smoothie. This smoothie is packed with antioxidants, fiber, and kidney-friendly nutrients. Blueberries are known for supporting the body's natural detox process, especially for people dealing with kidney issues. They help reduce inflammation and protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. Spinach provides magnesium and potassium in a gentle amount, which supports blood pressure regulation and reduces strain on the kidneys. Greek yogurt adds probiotics that support gut health, which is closely linked to inflammation control throughout the body, including the kidneys. A small amount of chia seeds offers fiber and omega-3 fats to help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Blend. Half a cup blueberries, half a cup spinach, a quarter cup Greek yogurt, optional for dairy sensitivity. 1 teaspoon chia seeds, 3/4 cup water. Drink this smoothie in the morning or early afternoon for the best results. It's refreshing, easy on digestion, and supports the body's natural cleansing process throughout the day. 2. Cucumber Mint Hydration Smoothie. Hydration plays a major role in kidney health, and this smoothie helps provide fluid without overworking the kidneys. Cucumbers are about 95% water and help flush toxins naturally while providing essential electrolytes. Mint relaxes the bladder and urinary tract, making it helpful for people who experience discomfort, burning, or frequent urination. Adding lemon provides a gentle alkalizing effect, which supports urine balance and may prevent irritation. A small piece of aloe vera, optional, can soothe inflammation and support healing in the urinary tract. Blend. Cup chopped cucumber, 4 to 5 mint leaves, 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon aloe gel, optional. 1 cup water. Drink in the daytime or before lunch, not right before bed, to support hydration without increasing nighttime urination. 3. Strawberry Chia Anti-Inflammatory Smoothie. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that protect kidney tissue and reduce inflammation. They also have a low glycemic index, making them suitable for individuals with diabetes. The chia seeds in this smoothie expand and help slow digestion, which supports balanced blood sugar and promotes gentle detoxification. Unsweetened almond milk keeps the smoothie light and kidney-friendly, while a touch of cinnamon supports blood sugar regulation and reduces inflammation. Blend. Half a cup strawberries, 1 teaspoon chia seeds, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. Drink this smoothie as a mid-morning or early afternoon snack. It's naturally sweet, satisfying, and helps support long-term kidney healing by reducing oxidative stress. 4. Pear Ginger Kidney Healing Smoothie. Pears are one of the most kidney-friendly fruits because they are gentle on the body and rich in fiber. They support digestion, hydration, and blood sugar balance. Ginger adds powerful anti-inflammatory properties that may help soothe urinary tract irritation and support kidney circulation. Coconut water provides natural electrolytes like magnesium and a small amount of potassium to support fluid balance without overwhelming the kidneys. This smoothie is especially helpful for people with bladder irritation or kidney inflammation. Blend. 1/2 ripe pear, 1/2 teaspoon fresh ginger, 1/2 cup coconut water, 1/2 cup water. Drink this smoothie earlier in the day to support hydration and kidney function. Thanks for watching AgeGlow. If you found these kidney recovery smoothies helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who may benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more bladder, kidney, and senior wellness tips. Your health journey matters, and we're here to support you every step of the way.